Want to grow on Instagram in 2024 but don't know where to start? In this video, I'll show you 5 simple steps that will get you ahead of 99% of people. I'm Alex from Alex Marketing with over 300,000 followers on my personal brand and help thousands of clients grow on Instagram using these exact 5 steps. Let's get into it. Step 1. Profile optimization. If you don't look like a professional, no one will see you as a professional. You need a branded profile photo, username and name with keywords, bio in 3 to 4 lines answering these questions. What do you do? What makes you unique? Why trust you? And what next? And of course, you need some highlights. You need 3 highlights. About me to introduce yourself even further. Services and products highlight to explain each of your offers, and testimonials and reviews to build even more trust. Of course, you need branded content that has one main color, one side color, and one strong font for headlines and one softer font for body text. All of this will make your content and profile look super professional. Step 2. Finding viral ideas. When you are starting on Instagram, you don't need to reinvent the wheel. You can just replicate the content that already works in your own style. Find any large creator in your niche and copy their username. Go to influx.com/tool/profile analyzer and paste the username. Scroll down and you'll see their best performing content. Write down the headlines or hooks and analyze the content. When you're making your own content, use the same headlines, same length, speed of talking, etc. Goal is to learn from viral content so that you can make viral content. Step 3. 3-part content structure. Every content piece you make needs to have 3 parts: a hook, information, and call to action. We covered the hook in the last step, so I'll skip that. Information should be straight to the point without any unnecessary words, pauses, or sentences. Deliver what was promised in the hook and don't overcomplicate it. Call to action should always be result-oriented. You should always mention the result with call to action. For example, subscribe to this channel to go viral in 2024. Now, start posting 5 to 7 times per week. Don't overthink it, just post and you will improve as you go on. Step 4. Collaboration framework. Collaborations are so underrated and they can literally 10 times your growth. Just go to a creator and engage with them for 1 to 2 weeks. Write comments, send DMs, respond to stories, etc. It's just important that you build a connection. Send them a DM like, hey, insert name, I love your content and I think we share similar audiences. I think it will be beneficial for both of us to do a collaboration. In fact, I've already set up 3 content ideas that we can use right now. Interested? When you get the content ideas and content ready up front, rarely anyone will decline your offer. And what's best, even larger creators won't decline your offer and you will get a lot more reach because of the collaboration feature which you will use, which combines the reach of 2 accounts. Step 5. Engagement list. As I mentioned in the last step, engaging with people on Instagram is really important. If you can build a solid base of 100 people who genuinely care about your content, you will blow up. Because those people will come time and time again, engage with your content, give you likes, shares, comments, and so on, and it sends amazing signals to the algorithm. That's why you need an engagement list. I want you to go out there, find 100 people who are in your niche or are interested in your niche, and engage with them daily. Write valuable comments on their posts, not just good posts, not like that. Write actually valuable comment. I love this post. My favorite point is this and this, but I would add this and this. Everyone needs to save this post. Comments like that will not only build connections, but they will get you pinned. People will come to your profile because of that, and more creators will see you as a professional in what you do and want to collaborate with you. All of this will bring you consistent engagement, and if you did everything from the previous steps, you will start blowing up in no time. That's all you need to grow on Instagram in 2024. If you like the value, subscribe to the channel and ring the bell because I drop value like this every week and I don't want you to miss it. If you need more help, get my free 0 to 10,000 followers guide from the description below. Cheers!